Hey guys, and welcome back to the Laws of Physio YouTube page. This is day 11 of the Practice What I Preach series, and today we're just doing a workout that is shown on the screen. I've realized that every time I do commentary on this, it does get boring, so I'm trying to make it a little bit more engaging and something that people might actually want to listen to. So I'm going to talk about random things that I learn throughout the day or different thoughts that I have, and hopefully people can kind of gather some perspective or learn or kind of think about stuff in the meantime. So I was at work today and I was looking after patients, and I think the topic that really stuck with me today was there was a patient who came in and they've just been beaten up by the system, really. So there are two ways that I kind of think towards this kind of situation. So the situation was there was a lady, she got injured at work, and now she's going through workers' compensation, which is kind of insurance where the business pays for your rehabilitation. And she just feels like the system doesn't care about her, that she's just a number in the system. And the way insurance works is their job is to ideally get you back to some sort of work as soon as possible. But she feels as if they've given up on her and they just don't want to spend money on her. They don't want her to get better. So she's obviously felt very depressed and very down with that. And she mentioned during the session that she attempted suicide. So it was a pretty heavy session. We talked it out, and she's going through counselling, and she's met up with people to talk about that stuff now. But there's a few ways of going about that. So my initial thought was, I understand where she's coming from. How you feel like you're just a number in a system. You're just another clog in the machine. So it's not a good way to feel, really. You're a person. You deserve to feel like you're valued. So it's just a really sad way of looking at things. So know that there are people out there that want you to get better. I want you to get better. Other people want you to get better and feel better and make the most out of your life. And if you feel like you're in a rut at the moment or in a low point, there's people out there that can talk to you and that can help you. So don't try not to do anything too stupid. Always see if there's someone there to help, because there always is someone there to help, either in person or in real life. And the other thing was, I was just thinking, this is your life. So you only have one body, you only have one life. Time's precious, so make the most of it. Take responsibility for your own life. So I know it's a shit place to be. I've been injured. You don't want to be there. Like, everyone's been in pain. You don't want to feel the pain. You just want it to stop straight away. At the end of the day, the only person who's going to help you get out of pain is yourself. So I could give you, for example, if you come to me for a consult, I'm only there with you for about 45 minutes to an hour. You got 23 other hours with yourself in the day. So you can choose to think that I'm the only fix, or you can choose to think that you are the one who's going to fix yourself. It's just a little shift in perspective. And I know people don't want to hear it, but sometimes you need to hear that you're the only person who's going to make yourself feel better. And our jobs as health professionals are just to give you the tools for you to actually go towards where you want to be. So just something to think about over the next couple days for me, really, because it was pretty much a couple hours ago that I heard this. But at the end of the day, as a health professional and for my time on this earth, I just want people to know that I'm here to help, and I want to give you the tools for you to be able to help yourself and improve and all that kind of stuff. So a bit of a heavy topic, but I don't want to drag on for too long. Remember that it's your life. Be the superhero be the superhero of this story and make the most of it. Okay, so I hope you're having a good one. Take care of yourself, and I will catch you guys soon.